Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to set up Private DNS on your Android 16 device. This will help you block online trackers and give you a bit more privacy while using your phone. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Settings app. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Connections and tap on it. Now scroll all the way down until you see More Connection Settings and tap on that as well. Here, you'll find an option called Private DNS. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll see a few choices. Select the one that says Private DNS Provider Hostname. In the box that appears, you need to type exactly this: dns.adguard.com. I'll repeat that again just to make sure you got it right: dns.adguard.com. After typing it in, tap Save. And that's it. Your phone is now using a private and secure DNS server. This means many of the trackers that usually follow your online activity will now be blocked silently in the background. This is a simple and effective way to protect your privacy, and it doesn't require any extra apps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.